Hi, this is Jamie from Empowered Social Media. Today we're going to be talking about Twitter trends and how we can use that to leverage for our business and engagement in our business. Great. So let's jump in here. I'm just going to open up Twitter. Just a new window of Twitter. And here we're going to go to the Explore tab. Excellent. And then we go to Trending in here. So we can go down and see Cyberpunk, top trend, but with kindness. So we're looking for things that really make sense that we can leverage for our brand. Maybe Blake Shelton, you're a big fan, so you could use a GIF or something inside of there. But this is a good one, Saved by the Bell. So we're looking at Saved by the Bell. Maybe that's something that you used to watch when you were younger. So this is something that's really relevant to you and your brand, maybe identity at some point has tied into this, or you just love it in general in the show and you're really excited for Zach and Kelly back in Saved by the Bell reboot trailer. So how would you use this in something trending? That's trending in something that you're trying to create. So we can go into tweet. We can go into GIFs. We can go Save by the Bell. Awesome. And so we got a bunch of different GIFs that we can use in here now for our content. Like if we hit a milestone, like 2-year anniversary, yeah, right there for our content, or yeah, sealing the deal inside of there, or wow, that's some great news in there. So there's a bunch of different things that we can use, or go team in there for our content based off of the trend. And then going into GIFs to be able to pull up some GIFs that we can use with our brand. So boom. So I'm pulling out of that. Again, I can continue to go down. As I saw, Saved by the Bell, The Greatest Baker. If you're like, I don't even, what does that have to do with trending? Like, what's going on? You can click inside of it to be able to find out more information. So let's go to the Greatest Baker. So you can click in here. You can look. All right, so there's obviously voting for The Greatest Baker, and then people are trying to tweet about it so they can increase the chances of the person they want to win will be picked in The Greatest Baker. So we can see what's going on with that one in there. So we have trending that's in here. And we also have the for you. So if they think that something's important to me, maybe because this is Massachusetts and this is where I live, then it's going to populate this information. So I can click on this, find out more about it. So this is going to pick what it thinks is trending for me. And then there's going to be trending in general right now, United States trends. If I wanted to look at what's top in news, click in here, what's top in sports, click in here, entertainment in here. Or if I want to look at COVID, what's happening in COVID, I can click in here. All right, so this is how you'd use it. You'd go about it, you'd find out more about that specific trend, but now you know that it's a trend. And now you know that you could find a trend that maybe fits with your business that you could leverage, or you could find, a unique GIF that may be funny or maybe nostalgic for people that you could use in your content to promote something that's happening inside your business. All right, that's using Twitter trends to be able to leverage it to be able to post and create engaging content for your brand. This has been Jamie. Thank you. See you next time.